Hello friends, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to send messages to yourself on WhatsApp. This is useful for saving notes, links, reminders or even testing messages before sending them to others. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Now, tap the new chat icon, that's the message button at the bottom right corner. In the search bar, type your own phone number including the country code. If your number is saved in your contacts, you can simply search for your own name instead. You will also see a message yourself, you, options in contacts. Once you open the chat, start typing. You can send text, voice notes, links or even files to yourself. And that's it. Now you can use WhatsApp as a personal notepad. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you next time.